you're looking right at me, aren't you? I won't hurt you, dude. I'm gonna leave now. I'm gonna leave now. Enjoy your bugs.